If you're experiencing verification issues with Zelle after multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem and regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your information. Ensure that the phone number or email address you are using for Zelle is correct. Double check for any typos or errors that may have caused the verification to fail. Step 2. Contact your bank. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Review your account status. Log into your bank account to check if there are any alerts or restrictions on your account that could be affecting your ability to verify with Zelle. Step 4. Clear app cache. If you are using the Zelle app, try clearing the app cache or reinstalling the app. This can help resolve any temporary glitches that might be causing verification problems. Step 5. Wait and retry. If you've made several attempts to verify your account, it may be beneficial to wait for a short period before trying again. This can help avoid being temporarily locked out due to multiple failed attempts. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve verification issues with Zelle and continue using the service. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Zelle support directly for further assistance.